On this part here, I will go forward you onto the Qigong exercise. The 6 bit put all together. I will do 2 on each one so you can see how they link together. So when you're working with this basic movement here, just start like this. You breathe in, then out. Then bring your hand into here, and then come up. Then down. All this basic exercise in Qigong don't need to rush. Take your time and practice. Another. Then when you get into line like this, here, back in that position you are standing, then back out like that. 1. Back into here. 2. Back into here. And then hand to the back, toe back, and then down. Make sure you breathe in and out. Back again here, and then out. On here. Then on this one here, your leg apart wide, low, your hand out. 1, back, 2, and back. Then your hand back into here. Then from here, push. 1, 2, and then come back here, and you punch. 1, 2, finish, and down. And then back to here again. So you breathe 1, and then breathe in, breathing out. So this is the basic movement. Normally when you do this, when I do this every morning, I will do 10 on each bed and practice on them, breathing and all this basic exercise to get the body strong. Spend some time on it so you can able to get your body strong. I will see you on to next exercise.